Hello everyone, new again from Top FX, and in this video I'm gonna show you, how you can add an indicator if you have more than one chart open, if you have multiple charts. So first of all, let's add another chart. In this case, I have the GBP USD. Let me add the Euro USD. Also, let me add a couple more. Let's add, for example, indexes. The Hong Kong, we're adding a new chart. And let me add one more. Let's have 4 charts. I'm gonna add gold. Okay, now, new chart. So I have 4 charts. Let me also expand the screen. Okay, so how can I add indicators on all 4 of them? The easiest way, first of all, is to click on the desired chart. As you can see, it's highlighted. Then I hover my mouse on top where the F symbol is, and I choose the indicator that I want. Randomly, I'm gonna do Cyber Cycle for this one. As you can see, the customization window opens. Let me just also do a small customization. Okay. Now, let's add now on a different chart, another indicator. Now, the process can be the same. We click on it, we highlight the chart, or we can actually right click on a desired chart, a new window would appear and the F indicator would be there, and we can do the exact same thing. Negative balance volume index. Again, the window appears to customize it. I don't need to. I click OK. And as you can see, another chart with a different indicator. And let's do the same for the third one. Right click, indicator, volatility, volatility, and then from here, Bollinger Bands. Again, I can customize it. I will do so. Blue, and let's keep the green as it is. I clicked OK, and now I have Bollinger Bands. And this is it. 2 of the simplest ways possible to add indicators on a plethora of charts. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any question. See you on the next video.